Tita Mideng. This is Joey Go and family from Imus, Cavite. I'm Gwen. Happy 89th birthday, Tita Mideng. Kamusta na? Hope to see you again soon. Palakas ka para makabakasyon ka ulit dito sa Philippines. Igagala ka namin. Promise yan.
Happy birthday, Tito Mideng!
Happy birthday po, Lola Mideng. Sana po makabalik po kayo dito ulit.
Oh, this is JG. Sabi mo.
This is JG po.
Happy birthday po, Lola Mideng. Sigihan po ito. Ayun.
Happy birthday,
Tita
Lola
Mideng. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Hope to see you soon.
Bye!
Regards to everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Love you, miss you.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday.
Day to you!
Bye!